Yo, welcome my fellow DGens, it's your boy Hassan here, and today I'm going to be going over 5 projects that you may not have heard of, but are definitely going to pop in this market. Let's dive right in. The first project I want to be going over is Lynum NFT. There's currently nothing posted on the Twitter page, and as you see here, this is the founder, AK, or as I refer to him. I've been talking to him in Discord DMs. He said that there's no info that he's willing to share, even to me. Like, I like this guy a lot. He's really smart. He's been actively trading in this space. He was a prior Neo Tokyo citizen. He currently holds a nifty nugget as well. But this guy's callouts are phenomenal. I don't think he tweets him anymore because he's been getting a lot of shit about it. So he's just shit posting for the fuck of it. Like, I don't blame him. But definitely keep this on your radar. He's a cool dude. He's really smart as well. And he has a Discord as well that's open. So I highly recommend to join his Discord too. The next project I want to be going over is Praise Pals. As you see here, it is an 8,888 supply, and the artwork is very similar to Doodles, as you see here, with that pastel sort of thick line art. And within this time frame, like the market's been very slow, and this artwork has been thriving the most. But what really caught my eye was the team, and that they're all docs. As you see here, these are the two founders. Jesse, his first company was a social game studio, and it generated 100 million in sales. And James, who was the former global vice president of Coca-Cola, and as you see here, this is the rest of the team and what they've done. But just seeing this, like, they're very confident doxing themselves, and the two founders have had a prior track record. One has generated over 100 million, which is insane. Another one worked with Coca-Cola, so they'll definitely show that they will definitely deliver and work very hard for this project. So that's something else to keep an eye on as well. The third project I want to be going over is Llamaverse. As you see here, it is going to be built on NFT world, but there's currently no info released on supply and mint price. All I know is what Llama said is all Llamaverse holders get whitelist, auto whitelist for this, excuse me. And as you see here, Llamaverse has been doing very well, sitting at a 3.4 floor price, and 75% of it is staked. And as you see here, there's only 63 listed. I've been very early on Llamaverse. As you see here, I've talked about it on December 5th, and they had 15,000 followers. Right now they're over 100,000 if I'm not mistaken. Nonetheless, Llamaverse is doing very well. If you want to get in, it's 3.4 floor price. It's pretty expensive, but you could get in this as well. It's going to be play to earn ecosystem, but Llama and his team have been delivering nonstop. They've been working their ass off, and all props to them. They've been delivering for all holders. And me personally, I'm a Llama Maxi. I'm very excited for the future of what he's going to deliver. This is a preview of a small portion they've used in their NFT world, and it is known as Llamascape Hub. So he is going to, with this hub, he's going to have a scavenger hunt of 20 eggs, and each of them is their own prize. So all Llamaverse holders have access to this. So he's implementing any type of utility you could think of. Llama's very educated. He's had a track record as well. He's been in internet marketing. If you can't get in Llamaverse, I definitely recommend getting in Llamascape. The fourth project I want to be going over is Onryo 888. This is going to be an 888 supply anime profile picture project. And as you see here, the artwork is this is honestly really cool. They made an honorary 1 of 1 for Bento Boy, if I'm not mistaken. As you see here, it's right here. What they plan on doing is they really want to have only quality art. They want to drop a premium clothing line, if I'm not mistaken. They want to build a brand just like Azuki. They want to support a cause. They will be donating 15% of all mints to stop Asian hate, no matter if they're minted out or if they haven't sold out. And they want to be as a launch pad for independent artists. And in my opinion, this launch pad sort of utility is very unique, and like I always mentioned in my prior videos, uniqueness is what helps projects thrive in this space. And you can see how they've cut supply from 4,888 to 888, and as you know, low mints and low cap supplies have been doing very well in this sort of bear market. And as you see here, mint price will be less than 0.1. So definitely keep an eye for this project. I talked to one of the founders. He said that they are both college students, and they've been in the space for roughly 7 months, and they've been actively trading. And he told me that there have been many lackluster founders and projects that don't really care for the art nor utility. They just have a high supply and a high mint and just rug all their holders. So he said that he really wants to deliver, and they're very passionate about it. And another thing is, Ryan Crypto talked about this as well. He's very early on it. You can see it like 1,100 followers. Right now they're sitting at around almost 1,900. So it's still very early. Keep your eyes on this. I highly suggest it. The founders are very passionate. The fifth and final project I want to be going over is Void Drifter. As you see here, there's nothing posted on the Twitter page, but if we go on to the founder, you could see he's the cult leader of Void Drifter, and he's a fintech entrepreneur. I've been talking to him over the DMs. If you're early on this project, the page would DM you saying like the Void questions, whatever, I forgot how it went, and they sent you like something OX. So I just sent my ETH address and I got whitelisted. I spoke to him just talking about like more of the project. He said he doesn't want to give too much info, so he sent me this. What's up? We are cooking up some top secret sauce, an immersive, story-driven, surreal experience inspired by Naruto, Hyperlight Drifter, Hollow Knight, and more. The council started a Twitter page. I don't have the life force to stop them. Another thing is he introduces artists over on Twitter, and as you see here, he's the lead artist for the project, Void Drifter. He's an illustrator and concept artist. He gave a little description, but what I really want to know is who he's been working with prior, who his past clients were, or where he worked at. But looking at the artwork, it's honestly really cool. Like this one, I like this one a lot. It reminds me of Gangster All-Stars, but nonetheless the art is phenomenal, and it's very early right now. There's 6,200 followers. I highly recommend to keep this on your radar. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read and reply to all my comments. I hope you have a wonderful day.